Google Analytics on WordPress Setup Guide. To set up Google Analytics on your WordPress website, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you do not already have one. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Fill out the required information, including your website's name, URL, and industry category. Once you have created your account, you will be given a unique tracking ID. This ID is used to track your website's traffic and activity. To set up Google Analytics on your WordPress website, you can use a plugin. There are several plugins available, including Monster Insights and Google Analytics Dashboard for WordPress. Install and activate the plugin on your WordPress website. Then enter your tracking ID in the plugin's settings. The plugin will take care of adding the Google Analytics tracking code to your website, so you do not need to manually add any code. After setting up the plugin, you can view your website's analytics data in the Google Analytics dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your website's traffic, including the number of visitors, page views, and bounce rate. You can also view more detailed reports, such as the sources of your traffic and the pages that are most popular. To get the most out of Google Analytics, it is essential to set up goals and events. Goals allow you to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. Events allow you to track more general actions, such as button clicks or video plays. By setting up goals and events, you can get a better understanding of how users are interacting with your website. Best practices for using Google Analytics on your WordPress website include regularly checking your analytics data to see how your website is performing and making adjustments to improve your website's traffic and engagement. You should also use the data to track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and make data-driven decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Google Analytics to gain valuable insights into your WordPress website's traffic and activity, and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's performance.